is truly just a gem. Just a classic. This is the intro to the start of a hoon sesh.
This is the intro before the intro. Well, I just want to give a shout out to all the pretty ladies out there, first and foremost. That's
He's
all.
fronting for YouTube. You're gay, dude. Don't even. Like, what are you talking about, man? This guy. Where the hell is he going? I'm actually so confused right now.
Oh, I hate what he's doing. Oh god. Dude, the market is tough these days. But I couldn't find a car, but I found this 2007 Kawasaki KLX 140.
Wow.
Suck it, bitches.
Oh,
Here to Ekar. Yes. Now this might not come first to your mind and you think performance or sport driving, but it should. And after today, I'm going to show you exactly why that is, okay? Okay, stay tuned.
This thing is actually sweet. I can't believe Jared's about to off-road this thing.
Yeah, man.
Like this is like actually a nice, reliable car.
Yeah.
Dude, you think you're gonna winter daily this after today?
Yeah, man. I've been dealing it.
You're not making it out of wherever we go.
Camping's for taking me off a cliff today. You want to see what this thing does? I do. Actually sounds pretty good. There's no way. Not a whole lot.
She made some weird noises there.
Really?
Some squeaking. I think it's just your e-brake.
This thing doesn't make weird noises, trust me.
You know when you're at the bar late at night and there's nothing left but fat girls? And you're really drunk, but you gotta take something because it's all you can get? That's exactly what this is. This is a 1989
Bam!
BMW 535, and this thing is so fucking nice. It's just unbelievable. Like, dude, I'm telling you, look at the body lines. This thing is just a piece of garbage, dude. Like, this thing is actually a pile. Dude, it's
Whoa. Yeah, zing it.
no, don't sing it. No, I gotta put this
Oh,
back on, man. This is
wow.
a piece of the car, okay?
That's a timeless timepiece.
It is. It came without a seat. Yeah, it's a long story.
Where does your wife sit, or do you just fuck her in the
Well,
back?
that's why I had to remove the seat so that she would fit in the back.
We're talking 300 pounders right here.
Yeah, no, it's true. Like, so anyways, the odometer doesn't work on this thing. The fuel gauge doesn't work, so we have no idea how much gasoline is in this car. We have no idea what the coolant temp is.
Sounds like it's gonna blow up. Oh my god!
Oh! Jesus. Fat girl did not like the donuts. Now it's Chinese doing weird stuff. We made it. 300 feet. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Classic BMW.
Timeless timepiece. Oh, boys. What, Cam?
The switch. I don't even know what this is.
Boys. You're looking at a heavy-duty mechanic right here.
Oh God. Jesus Christ. Dude, that was sick.
Now she's done.
Fuck. She's done. I could hear it from way back.
What'd you do? Oh, yeah, that's the one.
Ah, I don't know, I gunned it over there, and then after that it was like dig, 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 dig. God damn it.
Boys! My fucking bike broke down.
What the fuck
No
have you...
way.
Oh my.
How long have you been waiting for us here?
I ran like 2 kilometers to get here. I heard some noise.
Your bike broke down. Unfucking believable. Dude. Unbelievable.
Why is your hood open?
My fucking car blew up.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't know. It's done though. At this point, all we gotta do is try to make it back.
At this point, all we gotta do is shred the echo a little bit.
Yeah. God damn it! I was really hoping to rip this thing. Of course, as soon as we get out here. You've got to be kidding me, man.
I don't think it does. This is really stiff.
Fuck! I'm so bummed, man. I would have been more okay with destroying the car than it blowing up.
Yeah. I know, that's what I felt like with the Ranger too. Like it's supposed to die drifting or having fun, not just driving.
Fuck! Fuck, man. Fucking pelted.
Did you get soaked?
Yeah.
I was making sure to watch you there, not the camera.
Oh,
I
yeah.
thought I might get clocked.
It's so slippery. It's like it just wants to rotate so hard.
Dude, this thing's all right, but let's up the power a little bit. Let's just crank it up a little bit.
We're not gonna touch the e-brake anymore. It's all left.
Oh god, that was a big ride.
This is way too rough.
Oh my god.
Just another day in the car with Jared. Okay, well, let's see if the old girl's gonna start now.
Oh god.
Oh, there's a problem. Oh god, that does not sound good.
Dude, this car is paying you back already, bro.
This thing is gonna totally blow up. It is making all sorts of weird noises. Let's roll up the window so we can hear it.
But just think about the the positives in a situation like this.
Yeah, like, you know,
I'm not really sure what they are yet. Is that a normal sound?
I don't think so. Father, because he's an old guy and he'll know what's wrong over the phone and be able to tell. So we'll see what he says. Hey, I need your help. I got bad news. I took the BMW out to dirt bike trails to go off-road it. No, I'm serious. I'm not even joking. It starts running like really bad. Like it's running like I don't know. It's making like a pinging noise, and it has no power. A ping, 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 ping.
It's the verdict.
He said just drive it. He said if it's still running, it's good, Cam. After bringing it in the garage and looking at it for a while, I was able to figure out the rockers for the #1 cylinder snapped. Now, believe it or not, this thing still runs somehow with the broken rockers. I drove it 2 hours home, which is unreal.
You barely even lift it with one hand. We're gonna be turbocharging this shitty old BMW that Cam bought, and we've turboed a Civic before, we've turboed a Ranger.